Hi, this is Lance at the MY4SONS warehouse, and for a few minutes I'm going to talk about how to use the 11-foot or the 14-foot or the 7-foot telescoping wand. Just show you the functionality. This is I think it's a 14-foot wand, retracted completely in the short position. And the way you extend it is you just pull. And as you pull, the PVC hose goes inside the tube. Now, and then when I retract it, PVC tube comes back out. The way you connect this is, when you get this shipped to you, you'll have this yellow adapter, which you don't normally need. And the easiest way to install this is basically to unscrew the capture nut, pull it off the nipple, and then screw this, make sure there's a washer in there, screw this onto the output threads of the valve handle, which is attached. By the way, the valve handle is attached using super heavy-duty heat shrink. Some people think that's just for packaging, and you can take it off if you want, but the intent is to have a good, secure way of keeping the valve attached to the telescope. So now what we do, and this is how you, just in case you're curious, you just push the hose over the nipple, and then you take the capture nut, the lock nut, and screw it down, and that gives you a good seal. So that's the way to install that. And this is usually in the lock position when you get it, so you pop that open, and that's ready to go. That's in the on position, that's the off position. Now, we wanted to also show how to connect the main hose from the tank. Now this simulates the tank. The tank has the pump, and the pump output threads are connected to the strain relief hose, and then this is all, and the quick release is connected. And so to allow that to turn, I'm gonna take that out of the quick release, make it a little easier to rotate, and then you just twist that on. If you want, we don't have this option yet, but you can retrofit this to have quick release on both sides. So we try to make this look easy. Not that easy. A little irritating. Okay. You can use a wrench to get that a little bit tighter, but you don't want to go too tight. So basically this is ready to go. And let's see, let's just confirm. This is about probably a little under 24 inches long in the short condition. And I guess you can hold it in either up or down the handle. We'll extend this. Like that. A little bit twisted. I guess with a little bit of use and a little bit of see how high this goes. Looks like that might be a 14-footer. I'll retract it. We hope that answers all the questions, and happy spraying.